From class 5T. Today we are going to do an experiment from chapter 8 properties of water. Experiment 1. So in this experiment we have to take a 1 glass tumbler and fill it half with water, and then we add 2 teaspoons of sugar in it and stir it.
Hi, I am Ira, and today we will be conducting an experiment of this chapter known as properties of water. In this experiment, we both will have 2 tumblers, and we will have, my side will be normal temperature water and his side will be lukewarm water, and we will both have sugar and a spoon. Let's start this experiment.
First we have to fill a tumbler half with water.
Now we will fill this tumbler with normal temperature water. Only halfway.
And 2 teaspoons of sugar in it and stir it. You can observe in hot water the sugar can dissolve completely very fastly.
Now we will also add 2 teaspoons of sugar in it. 1, stir, and then the second teaspoon. And we will stir it properly. As you can see, this tumbler is taking much more time than that tumbler, because that tumbler has lukewarm water and this one has normal temperature water.
We can continue this activity till the sugar can get insoluble in this water and sink in bottom.
Now we will add some more teaspoons of sugar into the tumbler, so it should be insoluble in water, because sugar is soluble in water, but we have to add many quantities of it, so it should be insoluble in water and sink at the bottom like this.
But the sugar in this tumbler cannot sink. It can be dissolved more amount in it and faster.
This tumbler has still sugar in it, and this is because that one has lukewarm water and this is normal temperatured water. So we have observed that this tumbler, which has normal temperature water, the sugar has sank at the bottom of the container.
And this tumbler can get the dissolving of sugar in more amount and faster than that tumbler, because it had 43 hot water in it.
This is also because the high temperature of the water, which makes it much faster and easier to dissolve in it. This was our observations, and this was the end of our experiment. Thank you.